We'll guide you through how to connect ChatGPT to Canva. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ChatGPT. Once it's open, look at the left-hand side where you'll see several options. Click on Apps and wait for it to load. Now, you'll see Canva listed at the top. You can also search for Canva using the search bar if you don't see it immediately. Once it appears, click on it. After that, you'll see a Connect option. Click on it, then sign in to your Canva account. Once you've signed in, click Allow to grant permissions. After successful authorization, ChatGPT and Canva will be linked. Now you can click Start Chat. Canva will be selected, and you can use it directly inside ChatGPT. This makes it easy to access your Canva designs and workflow without switching between platforms. And that's it. ChatGPT is now connected to Canva. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.